Go to this website, watch this video, wait a few seconds and you get paid instantly. Then, go back to the website, watch another video, click complete, and you get paid again. You can do this repeatedly until you can finally cash out your earnings into your PayPal account, or any payment option that you select. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you a brand new technique to make money online by watching online videos. I've made many videos about make money online by watching videos in the past. So many people have seen those videos, followed the techniques, tried them, and made lots of money. So now it seems this technique is getting saturated, but I found a new strategy with a brand new website, and that's why I made this video today. So it's your last chance to use this and make money with it before the year is over. You do not want to miss this new approach. Look at this PayPal payment here on my screen. It's a payment from the website that we will be talking about in this video. It's a PayPal payment of about $80, sent via PayPal, and this is possible for actual beginners who start to use this website. It is that awesome. It's an entirely free approach, so you do not need to spend any money doing this, and you can do this from throughout the world. Your country does not matter. The best thing about this method is that this website does pay out with many other payment options. Not just PayPal, it pays with all these different payment options on the screen here. So, no matter what country you live in the world, this method will work for you without any problems. Now, I'll show you how to get started with this technique, make money, and withdraw your income. If it sounds good to you, hit that like button, subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and share it with your friends and family. Now, let's get back to the video. So, it's the website that will pay you to watch new videos online. So, think of any easier way to earn money online like you're watching a video now. So, enjoying videos is rather simple for anyone available. It doesn't take any effort on your part. As long as you're willing to put in the hours, that will get you paid. I'm not saying you'll get paid for nothing or without doing any work. You need to put in some time, but it's real money. You'll get paid, at least a couple hours every day. So, you can cash out as fast as possible, and as time goes along, you start making even more money with this website. You can put in even more time to make more money. I like this website because it pays fast, and you always have lots of new videos in your account to go on and watch to make money. It's not like the other ones that I've tested. This one is nice. You can make money watching commercial ads, movies, and TV shows. You can even watch video trailers on your account. Another thing is that it has an excellent referral program. You can refer your friends to earn $1 and get your friend to earn $5 when you bring them onto this website. As I said before, they pay with PayPal and send it to your bank account, Western Union, and many other payment options. So it doesn't matter what country you live in, there is always a payment option perfect for you. So let's go over how to create your account and make money with this website. First, you need to click the menu button up there and click the sign up button, and you'll be taken to this page, where you can sign up. Then, fill in your details, put in your email, click verify that you're a human, and click on create an account, and you're good to go. Your account will be verified nearly instantly, and you can finally get into your account and start using it. So here, we are inside of the account on this website. This account already has some earnings racked up, and down here on your profile, this is where you'll find videos available for you to watch and start making money with. Now, you need to click through all of these. On the left right here, you will see how much you can earn by watching these videos. They're all listed down. Here, this one's paying 61 cents. This other one's paying 32 cents, 47 cents, 52 cents. So, you need to look through the ones that pay the most so you're not wasting time watching videos that don't pay that much. As soon as you find a good video that you think is worth your time, click the video, and it'll start playing from YouTube instantly. Some companies are affiliated with this website that pays them to have their videos on here, like advertising. This is a movie ad, by the way, so you watching this video is great for the company that put out this ad for you to watch. Then you will get paid a certain amount for watching it. When you're done with that, click complete, and you're done. You're going to have your earnings pushed right into your account, and you can do this repeatedly. Watch as many videos as you want until you reach the threshold, which allows you to cash out on this website finally. And, side note, because there's not always going to be videos available in your account. So whenever you find no videos to watch, you can try the referral program to get your friends to sign up and do that. So click those button that says my account up here and click referral. So you can go to the referral page. You can finally get your referral web link. You can share that and get your friends to sign up, and you get paid whenever you do that. Share this link to as many people as you can, and you make $1 for every friend you refer, and they get $5 when they sign up. If you want to draw your earnings, click on the withdrawal button on the top menu up there, and you'll find the threshold for all the different payment approaches. So they do not all have the same payment threshold. As you can see, you can only withdraw from PayPal when you have at least $80 on your PayPal account. And that takes us back to this payment that I showed you in the intro of this video. As you can see, this is $80 sent to PayPal, and that's because you cannot withdraw anything less than $80 if you use PayPal as a payment option. You can choose Western Union or Payoneer. It doesn't matter as long as you have an account with any of those services. You can cash out your money with all of those as well. And as soon as you've racked up enough points, you can finally cash out your cash, and it will be sent out to you as soon as possible. And then you can go back to the website and start doing this all over once again, watching the videos, and continue making money. This website has been featured on a lot of different other websites as well. It's been featured in the app next to Mobile Live Street and Public, so it's really popular. So many people have been using it, and I think it's genuinely an excellent website to utilize if you want to make money online by watching videos. So let me know if you will try this out. I think it's easy for beginners. If you haven't made money online before or are unsure how to do it, I hope this video gave you some tips and tricks that will work for you. Let me know in the comment how it did go out for you. Like this video if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.